Hi guys, Dempsey here and welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be talking about collagen and specifically my favorite ways to get collagen into my diet. I haven't done a lot of nutrition content on this channel so far, and so I'm really excited about today's video because, as you guys may or may not know, exercise is just one part of the puzzle. What you eat, the foods that you are consuming is just as important, if not more important, to your overall health and achieving your physique results. I do want to apologize in advance. It is a partly cloudy day here in Los Angeles, which we don't get very often, but the clouds are changing the lighting in here every 30 seconds. So I hope it's not too distracting. And yes, I apologize in advance if there is a lot of changes in the lighting here today. So before I get into any recipes, I want to talk a little bit about collagen and the benefits of collagen, like I said, when it comes to achieving your physique results. So when people think of collagen, I think a lot of people think of hair, skin, and nails, and collagen is obviously really beneficial for all of those things, but it is also really useful when used in conjunction with exercise in terms of, like I said, achieving those physique results. So getting stronger, losing fat, and building lean muscle. I am an absolute stickler when it comes to supplements. I don't take a lot of supplements myself, and when I take a supplement, I want to make sure of two things. One, that it is effective, because what's the point of taking a supplement if it's not effective? And two, that it is clean and safe. My go-to company for all things collagen is Sparkle Wellness, and they have a whole line of different collagen products, but specifically for the purpose of today's recipe and video, I'm going to be talking about and using their Body Balance Collagen for lean muscle mass. This contains a specialty blend of hydrolyzed collagen that is shown to increase lean muscle mass, decrease fat mass, and help you gain strength, which who doesn't want all of those good things? And of course, it is a very clean product. It is non-GMO. It doesn't contain any sugar or any nasty added ingredients. And so, yeah, this is my absolute go-to. It comes in a mixed berry flavor, which is what I'm going to be using for today's recipe. But let's get into our other ingredients first. I like to keep things really simple in the kitchen. So for today's recipe, which is, like I said, my go-to post-workout smoothie recipe, we are only using 5 ingredients. We have our Body Balance Collagen in the mixed berry flavor. We have a banana. We have half a cup of frozen organic blueberries. We've got some peanut butter, and we have some oat milk. So let's get cooking. So first thing going in the blender is half a cup of organic wild blueberries. I pretty much always keep wild blueberries in my freezer because they're a staple of any smoothie that I make, and they're a great source of antioxidants. Next up, we've got a banana. I usually keep a banana frozen in the freezer, but this one is not frozen, so that's okay. So just pop that whole banana in there. Ingredient number 3 is going to be a heaping tablespoon of peanut butter. I prefer peanut butter to almond butter just because I like the taste, but any nut butter will work for this recipe, and I go heavy with my nut butters. We like that creamy deliciousness. Little side note pro tip, when you are shopping for any type of nut butter, you want to look at the ingredients and just make sure that the only ingredient is whatever nut the butter is made out of. A lot of peanut butters, almond butters tend to have added sugar, and you just don't need that stuff. Ingredient number 4 is going to be the Muscle Boost in the mixed berry flavor. So it comes with a little scooper, and you're just going to add 3 scoops of this. And last but not least, we're going to add a little bit of oat milk. I just kind of eyeball how much milk I'm adding. You don't have to use oat milk. You could honestly use any type of milk or just water if that's easier for you. But I just kind of add a little bit, and then if it doesn't blend, we add more. So let's blend it up. Little taste test. It tastes like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich in a cup. That is so good. Look at that color. You might be asking me, what if I don't have time to make a smoothie? What if I'm at the gym and I need a post-workout drink immediately? Well, got you covered. So the beauty of Body Balance is that it can just be dissolved in water and it tastes delicious. So little pro tip when adding it to water, I always add it to room temperature water, mix it up, make sure it's all dissolved, and then if I want it to be a little bit cooler, more refreshing, I'll add ice after that. It just helps the product dissolve and mix with the water a little bit better. So I've got some room temperature water here, my little blender bottle, and once again, just gonna add 3 scoops of this. This is a great option, like I said, if you are at the gym or don't have time to come home and make a smoothie, or if you're just feeling a little bit lazy, because we all feel a little bit lazy sometimes. So once that lid's on nice and tight, you don't have to do this in a blender bottle, but it does make it a lot easier. Just gonna shake. Delicious. Gotta get them gains, bruh. It's just so refreshing. And there you have it, 2 different ways to incorporate collagen into your day. If you guys are interested in trying out Body Balance or any of the Sparkle Wellness products, I will leave a discount code in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you liked this video and if you like these more nutrition type talks, recipes, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!